Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to unbox the September Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. It's a fun box. I can't wait to show you everything that's inside, and so let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and open this month's box. I do have my Bliss Quilt-Along blocks here that I've previously sewn, blocks 1 through 5. There is a new pattern in today's box, but I haven't got the block sewn yet. So next month I'll have 2 new Bliss blocks to share with you. But this is the Life is Sweet box, and I always look at the fabric first. And this is by my friend Bev McCullough, and such a cute fabric collection by Bev. I'm just going to go through all of the prints, and it's so fun. I just actually saw Bev at the Garden of Quilts event in September. Ran into her in the parking lot, had to roll down the window and give her a hug really quick. People driving by probably thought, what is going on? So anyway, she's a super talented designer, and she has a great blog as well. And so these fabrics have a little bee theme. I love the gold and the different shades of blue. These daisies are with the little hexagons are super cute. Just lots of really fun prints here. Love the little gingham check and the dots. This one might be my favorite. I just love these daisies with the blue background and then the little hexagon detail. Super cute. Kind of reminds you of, you know, the honeycomb, the beehive. It's cute in aqua as well. And this is a fun blue, and really cute text print. Quilting bee, be you, home is where my honey is, be your very best self, sweet as can be, kind words are like honey, queen bee. Really cute little bee sayings, and they have that text print in 2 different colors, and then the little bees. So really cute fabric line by Bev McCullough. We'll have this 10-inch stacker linked, and then also where you can find more fabrics. There is also a seam ripper, which I'm really excited to use. I kept it in the bag until I showed you, but I really wanted to pull it out the other day because it's really substantial. It has a nice grip in your hand, and so I'm in a good little cap that fits snugly, so I feel like it was a little bit more child safe friendly. But I really like the way that this fits in my hand, and so I'm super excited to use that. Always love a good seam ripper. They also have thimble pads. I'm not sure if I was supposed to get 2 or just 1, if an extra one ended up in my box by mistake. But they are reusable adhesive, so you just stick it onto your finger and it works like a thimble. So I'm getting ready to start a handwork project that's going to be ongoing, and so I'm really excited to use these as well. Also included is a magnetic seam guide that I believe is meant to be universal, so I'm going to try this out as well and see how this goes. I'm excited to try that out. The little Life is Sweet card gives you all the details, and then also included this Sweet as Honey quilt pattern is the only thing I believe that you can't buy separately. These are exclusive to the box. And then the Bliss block pattern is also included, and those you can buy. So we'll have those linked. But once again, a really great box from Fat Quarter Shop. Okay, so that's it for the September Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. I really think they just keep doing a great job with new products, new notions, and fun fabrics. So signups are available now. We've got that in the description below if you are not yet on their list and you want to start getting the boxes. And otherwise, I've got all the links to the contents that you can purchase separately. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.